So welcome back, everybody. I wanted to show you guys about what my husband was doing here, just to show. He was trying to get that big rock right here to roll down the hill, and he was trying to get this flattened out some more because we're planning to bury the pond, and that's where he has gotten that so far. You can see there's a little water still right there, but we're gonna try to bury most of this stuff, and then this is just gonna be the horse pasture and not the duck pond no more. We're just gonna try to do this. And then my husband was up here at the pad when I got home from grocery shopping. Doing the pad up here, so I'm just trying to see what he has done and show you guys. Thankfully it's been quite warm out, and we've been fortunate enough to had a really nice breeze, so that was very nicely put. Now I also wanted to show you guys that Odessa has started to bag up, so she's for sure pregnant, but I think she's only carrying one. So I wanted to show you guys that, and that I am considering selling the dairy goat herd. If I were to keep anybody, it'd be Ariel. Possibly Willow and Scarlet. I would sell Mavis's daughter Cal, and Cal's daughter. I'd keep my 3 bucks and just breed French. I could build off of Ariel quite well, off of doe kids, and go from there, but I haven't quite decided yet. Hi Jules, my pretty girl. And that's her mama right there. But I'm not sure exactly what I want to do yet, just to state everything. I know that I want to try to and just see what I can do, but with me working and stuff, I can't handle it all. I barely have time to milk them, and I'm not looking forward to having to sell anybody, but I think it's going to have to be done. There's the little turd right there, Mr. Prince. Look at him, strutting his way over here. Hi, little guy. But thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. We gotta go eat dinner. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless.